How to change the lenses of the Oakley Racing Jacket. To change the Racing Jacket lenses, you simply need to press on the nose pads, as you can see in the video. Remove the bottom of the frame and the lenses will release for easy removal. To replace the lens, place the outside of the lens over the frame, then place the inside. Return the frame to its initial position and then press the nosepad until you hear the characteristic click noise. Visit our online store and you will see more Oakley replacement lenses.